You want to change your life. You see, we look at the truth. Well, I went through this. This person did this to me. This is how the system is built. True. Yes, it is true. But you know what the fact is? The fact is, you don't have to remain that way. Why? Because you can look at your situation and remember that the universe is mental. And when you realize that the universe is mental, not insane, no, the universe is a mental creation. Do we grasp what that means? It means if I can generate within you an experience that we call truth and you run with it, the fact is you will keep recreating it in your own life. So you see, truth is based upon the observer, the person who experiences it. So that's why when we experience something and we hold on to that truth, the fact comes along and says, oh, so you hold on to that, you want that. Let me give you some more of it. That's the fact. So the fact is we prolong things in our lives that we deem to be true. That is why they keep expressing themselves in our lives truthfully over and over and over again because of the fact of correspondence. As within, so without.